Hi, I'm Russ Rosendahl. I'm the CEO here at Salal Credit Union. So healthcare has always been a big part of our foundation. We were formed by a group of doctors, nurses, and healthcare workers back in 1948. We're proud to be able to support HealthPoint and their employees. We've been contributing to HealthPoint for over a decade. The service and level of care that HealthPoint employees give to our communities is invaluable. The Puget Sound region is so much better because of HealthPoint, and we're proud to be supporting HealthPoint and its employees in their efforts.
Hi, I'm Matt Vance. I'm the Vice President of Marketing and Communications here at Salal, and I get the privilege of running our Community Impact Program as well. When we seek out new community partners and ideas, we look for finding those ideas and projects that need a spark, and that's exactly what the Community Connection Fund presented itself as. In meeting with HealthPoint and learning more about the program, it was obvious that there was a benefit to the community, and it just needed a little bit of something to help it get off the ground. Anytime you can work with a community partner and help unlock something that they're doing, and you know that they're giving that good back to the community, it's a great feeling inside. Overall, it's a privilege to be able to kind of work with these organizations that do such amazing work for our community. We feel that we do that type of work for our community through financial services, but we know others do it in many other different ways. And healthcare is such a vital and critical need for our community. So to be able to work with these organizations that work in especially low-income and at-risk communities, we don't have access to be able to help out in the ways that they do. So how do we help them help others? It kind of brings it full circle to the credit union mission, which is people helping people.
I'm Sarah Jumley. I'm the Director of Care Support, and I have this amazing privilege of overseeing a team of care support professionals that gets to make amazing use of this fund. So we wanted to say thank you to Salal Credit Union for establishing the Community Connection Fund with us. It's been an amazing process. They are amazing partners. So with Salal's support, we have been able to provide even unique things like car repair, which you might not think of. So a person who's experiencing homelessness living in their car, and their car breaks down and they can't get to work, they can't live their daily lives. We've been able to provide car repair support for people that gets them on the road, gets them back to work, gets back to managing their diabetes.
One of the patients that I remember is a patient who was living in an apartment that got infested with bed bugs. He had to throw away every single thing that he owed before he was able to move into a new apartment. And then when he moved into a new apartment, he had no furniture, no clothing, nothing, and he needed a lot of medical equipment that needed to be attached to his bed. And so I was able to work with him and connect him to Northwest Furniture Bank and get a bed and furniture for his entire apartment, but he didn't have a car to get those items delivered. So I was able to use the Salal Credit Union funds to support him in paying for a bed, a delivery fee, and he was able to receive all of that. And then now he's able to get his medical equipment at home. So thank you so much to Salal Credit Union for that.
In one word, I would say that the fund itself is just absolutely invaluable. It is something that we are able to leverage in the community with our community partners, with patients who are at very high risk, have significant needs, and have very unusual gaps in their care. So there truly is no other program and no other resource for this. I truly just want to thank Salal from the bottom of my heart. This is a thing that has been, these gaps in care where there truly is no other option, is one of the most successful strategies that I have come across to be able to really build the future for patients in our community. So thank you, thank you, thank you.
So thank you to Salal Credit Union for all their support and the funds they have been able to provide to HealthPoint for us to support our patients.